Linksys RE7000 setup. Step 1. Plug in the extender. Connect the RE7000 to a power outlet near your router. Step 2. Wait for the LED to blink orange. The blinking orange light indicates that the extender is ready for setup. Step 3. Connect to the extender's Wi-Fi network. Use a computer or mobile device to connect to the Linksys extender setup network. Step 4. Open a browser and go to http://extender.linksys.com. This address will take you to the setup page. Step 5. Start the setup wizard. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the installation process. Step 6. Select your Wi-Fi network. Choose your existing Wi-Fi network and enter its password when prompted. Step 7. Place the extender in an optimal location. Move the RE7000 halfway between the router and the area needing better coverage. Step 8. Check the LED indicator. A solid green light means the extender is successfully connected and positioned. Step 9. Reconnect devices to the extended network. Use your devices to connect to the extended Wi-Fi network for improved coverage. Step 10. Optional. Customize settings via the admin panel. Log in again if you want to change advanced settings or update firmware. Thank you for watching.